Well, I got my little partner today. We're gonna haul some gravel out back in the old 86 General. My pond, I guess I showed you guys before in the past, where I'm gonna put the windmill up at.
Daddy, do we have seatbelts in here?
Yeah, you don't need them. There's one in the back. So we're gonna, I'm just gonna take a little bit of gravel. I've already been out with the skid steer once, but I'm not carrying it all the way out there with the skid steer. So there it is, a little bit of gravel pile. So we just put a little bit on, enough that I can put a good base down. Oh, you old girl. You don't like to turn very sharp. They put a new steering box on this, and I don't know if they haven't got it right or what. It's not centered. Not sure what it is. Anyways, it's got a 350 Cummins in it. It was all rebuilt when I got it. Yeah. Well, we'll take her out there and dump it, and then I'll get a tamper, or take the skid steer back out and level it back out. But about a half a mile out there, so it's a little bit long trip back and forth with the skid steer. So got my co-pilot. She's all excited. We're going for a drive. Oh, there goes an airplane. I'll get it out of you when we get it back. Alright, we're getting ready to get her backed in here. Now, I got everything, of course my skid steer can't lift very high, so I got everything kind of on this side. So, I want it kind of over here. I can move it where I want to anyways. What there?
How do you get all the gravel on that?
Skid steer. The case is up the road, so I can. Alright. Now we'll kick our PTO in. Neutral. Pick her up. Open our tailgate. We're laughing. We'll just shut her partner right here. Rub her up a little bit.
It's dumping, Daddy!
Yep, it's dumping. Better time to do it when the cows aren't out here, so. There we go. Hold on, that's enough there. I want to hit something. Let's give another look at it. Let's no, just be a second. I don't need much, just enough to put a pad, enough to put that. I guess I probably haven't even shown you guys what I'm doing. I should do that when I get back. Give her a big bath. There she be. Gotta get a new mud flap for that thing. Can you? Yeah. I broke that loading with payloader here quite a while ago. Anyways, what I'm doing is I'm putting down some gravel, and then gonna tamp it down, and I have a payloader tire that I cut the side wall out of. Now I'll show you this tire when I get back, but it took me better part of about 6 hours to cut it. It was absolutely pathetic. But that, and I don't know, I think it was like 12 or 13 reciprocating saw blades. So we're tell you now, took our PTO out and we're laughing. But yeah. Oh, there goes that plane again. Way up there. Well, Brianna seems to think they're dropping off animal medicine for rabies and stuff. I guess they found a raccoon or a squirrel, or I don't know what the hell they found. Found something with the rabies anyways. So, anyways, let's see if we can get this thing out of here. Come on, you thing, you. There we go. Anyways, I'll get back to the farm.